Turmeric tea for weight loss. In this video, I will share 2 best ways to reduce your belly fat with this tea. Number 1 way is turmeric tea with mint leaves. Add some fresh mint leaves in your tea. Steep mint leaves in the turmeric tea and enjoy the menthol fresh tea. Mint leaves are super low in calories and high in fiber content. It also helps prevent conditions like indigestion and stimulate digestive enzyme and turn fat into energy. It is very effective to reduce your belly fat. Number 2 is turmeric tea with honey. If you want to sweeten your turmeric tea, add a dash of honey is said to benefit your weight loss journey. Honey is very benefit for weight loss. Do not in any way add sugar in it as it may only reverse the good effects. Honey is known to suppress appetite and anti-inflammatory properties that help you lose weight. I hope you can easily lose your weight with the turmeric tea. Watch the video fully to reduce your belly fat. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon button for new videos. Thank you very much.